welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making lamingtons. First thing I'm going to do is beat my butter and caster sugar together. I'm now going to beat my eggs in one at a time. Beat in the flour. And finally add in 3 tablespoons of milk. I've lined my cake tin with greaseproof paper. I'm now going to add in my cake mixture. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees. I'm now going to bake it in the centre of the oven for 25 minutes. Now that my cake has cooled, I'm going to cut it up into squares. I'm now going to cut each of the squares in half. In my bowl, I'm going to whip up double cream with 2 tablespoons of icing sugar until it starts to form peaks. Now I'm going to add raspberry jam on one side and the cream on the other and sandwich them together. In my bowl, I'm going to mix together melted butter, and milk. I'm now going to sieve in my icing sugar and cocoa powder. I have taken my cakes out the fridge. I'm now going to dip them into my chocolate icing, then roll them in some coconut, desiccated coconut, and then place them onto a piece of greaseproof paper and then leave them to chill for an hour in the fridge. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.